How to download and install Rstudio. So, if you want to install Rstudio, it's very easy to do, but there's two steps you need to do it. You need to go to posit.co/downloads/Rstudio-desktop. Once you're here, you'll see two installs here. You need to install R and then install Rstudio. So first come to install R and you'll see this big download button here. Press this. Then we need to select what we want R for. So Linux, Mac OS or Windows. I'm currently use Windows, so we'll press that. Then if this is the first time of installing R, select base here. And you'll have the latest R for Windows here. So press this big one at the top. It'll start to download automatically then once you press that. I'll speed this process up. Once it's downloaded, press the little box here, showing folder, and here is the installation file. Double click it, select your language, press OK, and now we'll go through the setup process. I like to keep everything as default. Then we get to the end here where we start to install it. So once it's installed, we can press finish. We can now delete that installation file. Now we need to X that away and go to the second step, install Rstudio. Press the download here. Again, once that's pressed, it should automatically download. Again, this is a big file, so it may take a little time. In post, I will speed this process up. Once it's completed downloading, again let's press the download folder here. Now we want to double click the installation file again. This time for Rstudio. Let's go through the same process of installing it. Now this is a bigger program, so it may take a little longer to install. Again, I'll speed this process up. Once it's done, let's press finish. Again, we can delete this installation file here. We can get rid of this window now. And now what we want to do is search for Rstudio here. And we can open it up. And we've successfully installed Rstudio. So that's how to download and install Rstudio. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.